Welcome. If you're looking to update your Instagram bio using the PC app after the latest update, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to add or edit your bio directly from your computer, making your profile stand out just the way you want. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your PC. You'll see the familiar layout, but with some new features thanks to the recent update. Take a look at the left side of your screen. Here, you'll notice a vertical menu. Find and click on the More icon. It's usually represented by 3 horizontal lines or dots, depending on your version. Once you click More, a drop-down menu will appear. From here, select Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can manage all your account details. Look for the option that says Edit Profile and click on it. This is where the magic happens. Now, you'll see several fields related to your profile, including your name, username, website, and of course, your bio. Under the bio section, click into the text box. Here, you can write anything you want, whether it's a short introduction, your favorite quote, or important links. Remember, Instagram bios have a character limit, so keep your message clear and concise. After you've typed out your new bio and made sure it looks perfect, move on to the final step. At the bottom or side of the page, you'll find the Submit button. Click it to save your changes. Your updated bio will now appear on your profile for everyone to see. That's it. You've just updated your Instagram bio using the PC app. It's quick, easy, and a great way to keep your profile fresh and engaging. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out more tips on customizing your social media experience. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.